Is your Breville Barista machine struggling or taking longer than before to grind? Or are your espresso shots inconsistent? Or are you simply looking to make even better shots? It might be time to replace your grinder burr with SingleDoseBrew's Titanium Burrs. These titanium coated burrs are engineered for enhanced durability and superior grind consistency, helping you extract even more flavor from your beans. It's a straightforward upgrade, and I'll walk you through each step on your Breville machine. First, a very important step: set your grinder to its coarsest setting. This is crucial because your new burrs are sharp and unworn. Unlike your old, potentially ground down burrs, these new ones have a greater effective height. Setting the grinder to its coarsest prevents the top and bottom burrs from crashing into each other when you install them and helps avoid damage.
Now, ensure your machine is completely empty of coffee beans and unplugged. Then, carefully remove the bean hopper. If you're using the SingleDoseBrew single dosing system, remember there are two small safety pins you'll need to pull out before the doser ring can be removed.
Next, locate the metal handle on the top burr. Grip it firmly and turn it counterclockwise until it unlocks. Once the top burr is out, you'll need to remove it from its plastic carriage. Look on the underside of the carriage for a small clip. Press this clip with something flat and firm like a flathead screwdriver, and then simply push out the old burr. To remove the bottom burr, you'll first need to carefully remove the nut holding it in place, followed by the spring washer. Keep these safe as you'll need them for reinstallation. Once the nut and washer are off, the bottom burr can be lifted out. This is a great time to give your grinder chamber a good clean. Use a small brush to remove any residual coffee grounds. For a deeper clean, you can even use a vacuum cleaner with a narrow attachment. Now let's get ready to install your new burrs. First, place the new bottom burr into position, then reattach the spring washer and secure it firmly with the nut you removed earlier. Use a wrench and tighten it just until you feel resistance. For the top burr, align your new burr and push it firmly into the empty carriage until you hear a satisfying click, ensuring it's securely seated. Carefully align the now assembled new top burr carriage with the notches in the grinder chamber, and then rotate it clockwise until you feel it lock securely into position. Once both new burrs are installed, replace the bean hopper. If you are using the SingleDoseBrew single dosing system, remember to give it a gentle twist at the end just until you feel friction to ensure it's firmly seated. Finally, plug your machine back in. Adjust your grind settings carefully to suit the beans you'll be grinding for. It's a good idea to run a quick test grind to ensure everything is working smoothly. You should immediately notice an improvement in your grind consistency and flavor. Your Breville Barista machine is ready to brew delicious espresso once again. Enjoy your perfect coffee.